Along the wall you've got forts. In between each fort there are mile castles, and the mile castles themselves were a Roman mile, which is around about 1.4 of our miles today. And in between each mile castle they had turrets, so it was really well defended. The towns themselves, I guess they had around about 5,000 people in each one of them, and the whole of this area would have been covered in the Roman army and their families and the people who were doing work for them and supplying them. It would have been a tremendous sight. Now just a little bit further up here, you've got what is